Are you currently facing the challenge of hair loss or baldness? Whether it's a temporary setback or a persistent condition, hair loss and baldness can significantly impact one's confidence. After all, our hair plays a vital role in shaping our identity and personality. If you face this issue, BDMS Wellness Clinic has the answer. Our team of specialized physicians is fully prepared to deliver a quality standard of care. Start with an examination of your hair under a digital microscope. Our dedicated team of hair specialists is committed to listen to your concerns and analyze each case individually. Hair loss can occur for a variety of reasons, encompassing both internal and external factors. These may include genetics, hormones, stress, or even certain medications. Through careful analysis, we will determine the main cause of your hair loss. The first step of our program is to visit our hair treatment. Your hair will be deeply cleaned by our scalp jet wash machine. Following the hair washing, indulge yourself in a relaxing hair massage using specially formulated shampoo and hair serum. The second step involves the use of our latest laser technology to stimulate hair cells in the scalp region, promoting new hair growth and strengthening the hair roots. In the third step, red LED light therapy with a frequency of 633 nanometers will be applied to your scalp to stimulate blood circulation in the area, reduce inflammation, strengthen hair roots, and prevent hair loss. At the final step, you can take care of your hair at home by using our products that are gentle to your hair, ensuring consistent treatment. BDMS Wellness Clinic. Live longer, healthier, and happier.